In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish your Shopify store. Whether you're stepping back for some personal time, focusing on other business avenues, or simply taking a break, knowing how to safely unpublish your Shopify store is essential. Let's walk through the process together. Start by logging into your Shopify admin to access your store's backend. Once you're in, direct your attention to the lower part of the left-hand menu where you'll find the Settings option. Click on this to open a new page with a wide array of options that help you manage various aspects of your store. From here, you want to click on the Plans section. It's this particular option that allows you to manage your subscription details, including upgrades, downgrades, and, importantly for our purpose today, cancellation. Once inside the Plan section, you'll see an option labeled Cancel Plan. This is the gateway to turning off your storefront to the public. Hit this button to initiate the cancellation process. Shopify will then prompt you to select a reason for deactivating your store. It's a simple step with a drop-down menu that presents multiple options, ranging from financial reasons to personal preference. While it might seem like just another click, let Shopify know why you're choosing to step away helps them improve their service in the long run. There's also a spot where you can give additional comments. This is optional, but if you have precise feedback or specific thoughts about your experience with Shopify, feel free to share them at this point. Every bit of insight you provide can contribute to helping Shopify enhance the platform for future users. After selecting your reason and optionally leaving a comment, click Continue. This will bring you to a page that asks for your account password. This step is crucial as it acts as a final security measure, confirming that you're indeed the owner of the account and wish to proceed with this action. Enter your password, and you'll then see the option to Cancel Plan once again. Click this to finalize your decision. It's worth noting that if your store is still within the free trial period, you'll see Cancel Trial instead of Cancel Plan. This is simply to acknowledge the difference in your plan type, but the process remains essentially the same. And there you have it. Your Shopify store is now unpublished. Keep in mind that this doesn't delete your store entirely, so should you decide to return, you can reactivate your Shopify account with ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out or leave a comment. Until next time.